We all know Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, but did you know there were three other legal legends who shaped our constitution and modern legal education? But most people have never heard of them. Number 1. Sir Benegal Narsingh Rao. He was the constitutional advisor to our Constituent Assembly. Even before the drafting committee started its work, B.N. Rao already prepared the first draft of our constitution. And he's the reason why we have a distinction between the fundamental rights and the DPSPs. And for a surprise, he was the first Indian appointed in the Permanent Court of International Justice. Ever wondered who wrote the Indian Constitution in legal language? So it was S.N. Mukherjee, the chief draftsman in the Constituent Assembly. He took fiery political debates and converted them into clear and precise legal language. If B.N. Rao was the one who prepared the blueprint, S.N. Mukherjee wrote the structure of our constitution. And finally, N.R. Madhava Menon, the father of modern legal education in India. He was the one who introduced 5-year integrated law course and also always focused on practical learnings from moot courts, legal aid clinics, and community services. He was the one who established NLSUI Bangalore and NJUS Kolkata, and later also helped in establishing National Judicial Academy. Some shaped the constitution, some shaped its language, and some shaped the legal minds who will defend it forever. History remembers such great leaders. Follow for more of such untold legal history.